Hey guys, I am Peter Vox and I'm at my Brunswick studio with two of my fantastic students, Carla Macbeth here and Cam Bird this side here. Carla's just finished some recording with her original tracks with some of Paul Kelly's touring and recording band. So how's that going, Carla?
It was amazing, absolutely amazing.
Fantastic. It sounded great. We were working through the tracks here today, so amazing things. So looking forward to this.
It's like
it's like a pregnant elephant for the last two freaking years, isn't it? So I'm
better be bloody good with a 2-year build-up.
It's absolutely amazing. And how's your voice generally going? I know that you're a little bit sick. How's your voice generally going?
Holding up well. Yeah, lots of we've done a lot of work on it, so yeah, holding up well.
Fantastic. Cam, you're recording a bunch of stuff, sending me a whole heap of stuff, doing lots of different colours and textures. Cam's in the Cam Bird band, just so that you know, and Carla Macbeth, you'll be going Carla Macbeth as well too. So guys, look out for stuff for these guys next year. Big things coming out. Cam, I know you're writing a whole bunch of new stuff, trying a whole different heaps of different melodies and different colours. How's all that coming along? Your voice?
Good. I'm loving it. So what we've worked on this year is just like totally changed the game for what I'm able to bring. So it's really exciting, really approaching it just as a totally almost new vocalist is how I feel. So I'm pumped.
Fantastic. All right, guys, have a great Christmas, everyone. Much love from the Brunswick studio, and check out these guys next year because you're going to see bigger and better things from both of these guys here. Much love. Bye-bye.